Okay, at this time, going to hear from Representative Scott. I wish y'all wouldn't stand behind me. I'm sure enough already.
Thank you so much, Madam Chair, and I want to start off by saying thank you to my primary sponsors. They are Representatives Howard, Tyson, and Honeycutt, and to all of the people that co-sponsored. A majority of the House of Representatives have co-sponsored this bill. It is a relatively straightforward bill adding gastric cancer, and I might even say clarifying that gastric cancer is a part of the definition of line of duty deaths. The state firefighters are here in support of this bill, and I just want to especially point out my chief, Chief Todd McMurray from the Polkville Volunteer Fire Department, is here in support as well. And Madam Chair, I'll be glad to stand for any questions.
Thank you. Do we have any questions from the committee? Representative Ross?
Just a motion when appropriate.
Thank you. Any other questions? Yes, Representative Rubin?
This is a great bill. I'm thrilled to support it. I'm curious whether it, like, having to legislate each additional cancer for the list, if that's sort of, if there's ever an approach that DHHS can designate additional ones or something. That might be unwise for certain reasons, but I'm just curious if there's sort of, because I just know the number of cancers that can affect firefighters. We keep recognizing there's more and more, and is there a more efficient way to sort of add to the list in the future?
Thank you so much, Representative Rubin, and I agree with you. It would be beneficial to look into that. I think it began by adding one and just a little bit at a time, so this is sort of continuing that momentum, but I do appreciate that and would look forward to perhaps looking at that in the future, especially with the State Firefighters Association. That's a great idea.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Any other questions? Hearing none, I believe Representative Ross, this is the appropriate time.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I would like to move for a favorable report on House Bill 97. And also recognize Tim Bradley, who has just retired within the last few days, who is, with the State Firefighters Association, and congratulations to Tim. But I move for favorable on House Bill 97.
We have a motion from Representative Ross for favorable. And is this going to go, let's see, where will it go? Appropriations and rules. So do we have, all in favor, say aye. Aye. Any opposed? Bill passes. Thank you very much. And by the way, just take a brief pause. We want to welcome all of our firefighters that are here today with the association. I got to speak with each one of them prior to the meeting. They're from all over the state, and we appreciate everything that you do, and staff, you as well. And thank you to the clerks as well. At this time, we're going to move on.